There is a pain worse than failure, worse than rejection, worse than losing money. It is losing respect for yourself. When you stop trusting your own promises. When you know you're capable of more but keep settling for less. When you look in the mirror and feel disappointed. Life becomes heavy. The Stoics understood that self-respect is the foundation of confidence, discipline, and happiness. Without it, nothing feels right. Today, you'll discover 20 Stoic lessons that can help you rebuild self-respect and become proud of the person you're becoming. Stay until the end, because the final lesson may change your life forever. Most people would never break a promise made to a friend. Yet they break promises made to themselves every day. I'll wake up early. I'll start tomorrow. I'll work harder. The Stoics knew that every broken promise weakens self-respect, and every kept promise strengthens it. Trust yourself again. One promise at a time. The hardest lies to detect are the ones we tell ourselves. Excuses, justifications, rationalizations. The Stoics valued honesty above comfort. Because growth begins the moment you face reality. Not the reality you wish existed. The reality that actually exists. Truth may hurt, but it heals. Many people wait until they feel motivated. The Stoics didn't. They acted based on duty. Not feelings, not moods, not emotions. Self-respect grows when you do what needs to be done, especially when you don't feel like doing it. The more you need approval, the less power you have. The Stoics focused on living according to their values. Not according to public opinion. Because self-respect comes from self-approval. Not external applause. And once you understand this, your life changes. Weak people blame. Strong people accept responsibility. The Stoics understood that responsibility creates power. Because the moment you take ownership of your life, you gain the ability to improve it, and improvement creates confidence. Many people think discipline is punishment. The Stoics saw it differently. Discipline is proof that you respect yourself enough to do what is necessary. Every workout completed, every distraction resisted, every goal pursued, sends a message to your mind. I am someone who follows through. And that belief changes everything. Comparison quietly destroys self-respect. You look at someone else's success, someone else's money, someone else's achievements. and suddenly your progress feels small. The Stoics refused to play this game. Because there will always be someone ahead. The only comparison that matters is who you were yesterday. Focus on progress, not competition. Every fear you avoid becomes stronger. Every fear you face becomes weaker. The Stoics understood that courage creates confidence. And confidence creates self-respect. You don't gain respect for yourself by staying safe. You gain it by facing the things that scare you. One challenge at a time. Many people lose self-respect because they say yes to everything. Yes to distractions. Yes to toxic people. Yes to things they don't want. The Stoics understood the power of boundaries. Every time you say no to what weakens you, you say yes to what strengthens you. And that is an act of self-respect. Time is your life. Every wasted hour is a piece of life you'll never get back. The Stoics treated time as precious, because they knew something many people forget. You can recover money. You can recover possessions. You cannot recover lost time. Respect your time, and you begin respecting yourself. Excuses feel comforting, but they quietly destroy confidence. The Stoics hated excuses, because excuses shift responsibility away from ourselves. And responsibility is where growth begins. Every excuse delays your progress. Every act of ownership accelerates it. Most people only celebrate huge achievements. The Stoics appreciated small victories. Getting out of bed when you wanted to quit. Staying disciplined for one more day. Choosing patience instead of anger. Small victories create big transformations. And every victory builds self-respect. A person controlled by emotions becomes unpredictable. A person who controls emotions becomes powerful. The Stoics practiced emotional mastery daily. Not because they lacked feelings, but because they refused to become slaves to them. The stronger your emotional control, the stronger your self-respect becomes. Growth creates confidence. Learning creates growth. The Stoics remained students their entire lives. Because wisdom has no finish line. The more you improve yourself, the more respect you gain for yourself. And self-respect grows every time you become better than you were before. Hard times reveal character. Anyone can feel confident when life is easy. The Stoics admired people who remained strong during difficulty. Because adversity reveals who you really are. Every challenge survived becomes evidence of your strength. And that evidence builds lasting self-respect. Many people carry guilt for years. Past mistakes, bad decisions, lost opportunities. The Stoics believed in learning from the past. Not living inside it. You cannot change who you were, but you can change who you become. Forgive the version of yourself that didn't know what you know now. Because growth requires moving forward, not staying trapped in regret. Most people admire strength, discipline, integrity, courage, wisdom, but few people actively practice these qualities. The Stoics asked themselves a powerful question: what kind of person do I want to become? Then they worked toward becoming that person every day. Self-respect grows when your actions match your values. Deep down, most people know they're capable of more. More discipline, more courage, more effort, more growth. The painful part is knowing it, but ignoring it. The Stoics believed that your potential is a gift, and wasting it is a form of self-betrayal. Honor your potential. By using it, money can disappear. Status can disappear. Fame can disappear. Character remains. The Stoics cared more about becoming good than becoming famous. Because success without character is fragile. But character creates strength that survives every storm. The more you strengthen your character, the more you respect the person staring back at you in the mirror. If there is one lesson hidden inside every Stoic teaching, it is this: become someone you can trust, someone who keeps their word, someone who faces challenges, someone who accepts responsibility, someone who continues when others quit. Because self-respect is not given, it is earned, earned through discipline, earned through honesty, earned through courage, earned through daily actions. Years from now, you won't be proud of the excuses you made. You won't be proud of the comfort you chose. You won't be proud of the opportunities you avoided. You will be proud of the moments you acted despite fear. The moments you stayed disciplined. The moments you chose growth over comfort. The moments you became stronger. And one day, you'll look in the mirror and see something powerful. Not perfection, but progress. Not weakness, but strength. Not disappointment, but respect. And that is one of the greatest victories a person can achieve. Subscribe for more Stoic wisdom that helps you build a powerful, disciplined, and fearless life.